Hello guys, so I traveled from Mumbai to Bangalore in March 2021 and it was a time when COVID was rising in Maharashtra. The process was quite hectic and it can be confusing at times, all the things we have to do before boarding a flight. So I thought of sharing this detailed step-by-step process of all the formalities we need to go through before boarding a flight, especially in these COVID times when we all have to take additional measures to be safe. So we arrived at the airport 2.5 hours prior to the departure time, and ours was a Vistara flight, which was for gate number 2, departure gate 2. So we went to the gate 2. Although it is not mandatory, but it is advised that you go to the gate which is specified for the flight. So we are in the queue to enter the gate. When your turn will come, the airport security will be there to check your documents. And in these COVID times, there will be a glass panel between you and the security, and you have to show them from a distance. The documents that he will want you to show are your ticket and one of your ID proofs. So once you get inside the airport, you need to find those particular desks which are specifically catering to your airline. So mine was Vistara, and I entered gate 2, which was specifically advised for Vistara, and I found it right over there. So the airline personnel will be right there. They will be available to help you and guide you. There, what you will do is you will submit your check-in baggage. They will check the weight, take it in, and also provide you the boarding passes. On the boarding passes, you will have the gate number which you will go to for boarding the flight. So right before the desks, we have these machines which are used to print baggage tags and boarding passes. If you have any confusion how to do it, the airline personnel will be right there for your assistance and to help you get it. So basically we need to enter our PNR and everything just gets printed out. We can select our seats also in it, and obviously the airline personnel will be there. As you can see, they are doing mine, and they had printed the boarding passes for me and my parents, and then after that we proceeded to check in our baggage. Here also we will have a queue where people will be asked to come one by one. So our turn has come and we had to provide our tickets and our ID cards at the desk. Then we had to place our baggage on this sliding platform, upon which they will be weighed and checked whether they are under the limit or not. After that, we will have to just go and wait at the gate which is assigned for the flight departure, and the timing also is there. We will have to wait till that time until they call us at the gate to board the flight. And look at this buddy, seems that he didn't have to go through any formality. Oh wait, he flies on his own. So we need to go through another round of security check, in which all the items we have in our hand baggage and all the items that we are carrying would be checked. Believe me, there is a lot of chaos in this particular section. A lot of people want to barge in and just get their work done as soon as possible. We have to get a tray, and then we have to take out all the items, the metal items, the electronic items separately and keep it in the tray, like laptop, mobile phones. We have to take out our belt. We will take out the belt and keep it in the tray, and then we have to pass that tray separately, and then our bags separately be in another tray, and then we will have to walk in through the gate separately, and the security will check us, and another security will be checking all the items in the tray using detectors. And then finally, when we go through that side, we will receive our trays and we will get our items back. So after 15-20 minutes of wrestling with other passengers, here on the other side. I hate this part the most. This is the worst part, like going through this security check and just getting all the things through that and waiting in the queue, and then have to, like, there is no proper management I have seen till now in any airport that the people can go through one by one without pushing each other. But this is what it is. And apart from that, yeah, the Mumbai airport is very beautiful, as you can see. So like, I'll just show you how it is from inside. Yeah. So you will find a food court in almost every airport, and particularly talking about the Mumbai airport, there were a lot of famous vendors like KFC, Pizza Hut, Domino's, a few South Indian merchants, North Indian merchants. So I particularly had a Subway, my dad had KFC, and also I had a complimentary lounge access in my HDFC debit card. So my mom availed that. So yeah, particularly, like, we all had different types of items. So there were a lot of options, so it was a good experience overall. So our gate number was 86, and we finally reached there. There you will find the particular airline people, and they will be there sitting waiting for you, and when the time will come for boarding the flight, they will call upon based on the seat numbers, like come from 1 to 30 or 31 to 60. So we will just chill here, wait for the call, and just enjoy the view over here. After that, they will start distributing the COVID kits, which will have one face shield, one mask, and a small bottle of sanitizer. So this face shield will have a thin plastic film upon it, which you will need to peel off before you wear it on. Otherwise, you won't be able to see anything. So our time has come to board the flight, and our seat numbers have been called out. So we again go in, stand in a queue, and one by one they will again check our boarding passes and then let us in. So if you are traveling during these COVID times and you have a middle seat, you will have to wear a PPE kit which the airlines will provide you. So yeah. Suppose that there are generally two ways we board the flight. Either a bus will take you to the flight, or there will be this corridor which will be directly attached to the flight. So this time we have this passage, this corridor. We have to just go through this corridor till the end, and once we reach the end, we will find again the security personnel or the airline personnel who will again check your boarding pass. Too many checks, huh? What to do? Just have to go through all of that. And then after so much hassle, finally. So hope you guys found this video informative and helpful, and a little funny. If you did, press the like button, please share and subscribe, and also come back for more.